Hi, this is Sarah Faith Brummett, co-founder of Theta Healing NYC, and today in this video, we're gonna cover how do you create a physical space that supports abundance. So whether you wanna do this for the home or the office or for your spouse or partner's office, this video is gonna help you have tools and tricks to build a space that supports your abundance. So the first thing to understand is that we actually are very sensitive to the energy around us. We are constantly taking in the thoughts, feelings, and energies of the people that have inhabited this room. So if you're moving into a new office, if that business was successful or not successful, that's going to affect you. That energy is left in the space. And you may have felt this before. If you walk into a certain building or a certain office and got that feeling like, oh, this is the place to be. Or if you walk in and it just feels depressed and it feels like it's missing that life force. So I'm going to show you how we can actually clear negative energies left behind by people, thoughts, emotions, feelings, and also help charge it with new energy. So I brought some of my spiritual fun tools to use. So I brought things like sage and Palo Santo. So sage is used in ritual and actually can help clear negative energy from a space. You light it and you smudge it, okay? You let the smoke clear the space. You can also do this for people. Palo Santo, you also light and you burn. You let it smoke and then you put it out. If it creates a fire, you have to then blow it out like you would with incense. And this also charges the space. So it's not only like taking negative energy away, it's also infusing it with positive energy. You can also use crystals in your space. So I brought this lovely piece of labradorite. Labradorite is an amazing crystal that holds a lot of spiritual force. I also brought a piece of obsidian. Obsidian is a wonderful protective energy. We got this from Mexico, and it's actually in its raw form. And you can also use oils and essential oils to help. But one of the tools that I use is actually using Theta Healing. So in our advanced Theta Healing class, we can actually set an intention and energetically clear negativity from a space so that it almost becomes like a blank slate, and then infuse it with intention. So some of the things that you can do is you can infuse it with knowing what success feels like, being productive, being creative, being good collaboration and teamwork, that you can actually infuse very specifically certain qualities that will help you in moving forward. The color pink is the color of love. So if you're gonna use color to infuse energy into a space, you want to actually use this pink energy. If you want abundance, it's like a light shimmering gold, and so you could actually use that visualization and put that in your office. The corner to your left, the left of your office or your house, that represents your abundance. So once you walk in the door, the very far left corner of your house should have some type of altar that really represents and holds a space of abundance. So for me, I noticed that was a closet that was just filled with papers and junk. So I actually had to make the intention this year to clean it out, make sure it was full of order, and that I downloaded it and gave it some really good energy so it could actually hold the space of organization and productivity and success and abundance, and also really put some crystals and some energy in there to hold the space. Well, this is just a tidbit of how you can create a space of abundance. I hope that this helped you, and if you have any questions or you need any information, don't hesitate to contact us at info@thetahealingnyc.com. Much love and much gratitude.